Hello people, I'm having solution Adobe DC extremely slow. The issue is to do with large file. When you save document, for example document, this may take a while. Let's check where I can save to show to you. Hopefully file has been saved. Okay, this has 2 megabytes. Sometimes Adobe doesn't render fast enough files. Sometimes you see it is slow. It is possible to fix that. Okay, I will show you how to do that. Because this file is quite large, but you can choose another option. What you can choose to be able to save the same file, but using function ring. Because Adobe struggles with higher resolution files, but you can print your file using printer, virtual printer. Let's open up this. Wait a minute, where did I save this? Okay, we have 2 files. You can see the difference in terms of speed. It is much faster after using option ring than when you use a save as option. The original file is it is rendering too slow, but you can also check option save as. Save as other. Reduced size PDF. Optimize the EDF. Maybe I will check this option. Hopefully this will work okay. It is slightly faster. I would recommend you use option ring. I cannot get how such powerful processor struggles with Adobe Acrobat because I'm using in the Ryzen 9. The best option is to use option ring when you work with the documents. We also have option which is to do with resolution. Check lower resolution when it comes to quality DPI resolution. We can overwrite this file. And you don't lose the text visibility. when you change the DPI resolution. You can see how faster it is. I hope I was able to help you. I forgotten to check something. I wanted to open up in this program. You can see how quickly I was able to drag pages. If file was too large, you wouldn't drag from one page to the last page. I hope I was able to help you. You have some more options to go. Now don't